Hey guys, the Previews Guy DVD openings here. We have another batch of unboxings with 2 Blu-Rays and 2 DVDs. So let's begin. First unboxing, Angels and Demons Blu-ray. Includes first look at Inferno and all new interviews. Front, spine, upper spine, and the back. Same thing, front, spine, the back. And now we unbox this for you guys. There we go. Here's the Blu-ray. The code for your digital HD of Angels and Demons. The back of this, they add about Sony Movie Rewards. And an ad about enter for a chance to win a cruise to the Mediterranean. And that's Angels and Demons unboxing. And that's Angels and Demons Blu-ray unboxing. And now the next Blu-ray unboxing is Krampus. A new classic, clever, creepy, and fun, says Eric Waksafi at Jumbo.com. Front, spine, back. You better watch out. Here it is, the unboxing. There we go. Here's the Blu-ray, which is all creepy red. The code for your digital HD. The ad about the chilling favorites on Blu-ray. And the DVD, which has the same artwork as the Blu-ray. And that's Krampus Blu-ray unboxing. Wait a minute, we have another unboxing. This one is Frozen Planet in Africa. Let's get this unboxing complete. Hold on a second. Oops. Sorry about that. Okay. Sorry about that. Oops. Zooming out. There we go. Here's Frozen Planet, front. Here's Frozen Planet, the original UK series narrated by David Attenborough. Epic and spectacular, says Daily Telegraph. Front, spine, back. A visual feast, says Guardian. Gloriously wonderful, says Mirror. And here's the disc. And here's Aprica. Eye with the unknown. Front, spine, back. No 3D is needed for this extraordinary vivid wildlife chronicle, says Hollywood Reporter. Turns the dark continent bright, says New York Times. And here's the disc. And that is it. The unboxings of 2 Blu-rays and 2 DVDs. Wow. Previews Guy DVD openings out.